Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. Today I want to do a video on the watering system that we use for our backyard chickens. Um, we've had this in place for probably a year and a half, ever since we got our chickens, and there's a few pain points, a few good things about it, but I just wanted to do a video to kind of show you our experience. So I will put a link in the comments to where we got this on Amazon, the brand. I can't remember off the top of my head what the brand is for this. I know it's a crazy name. But just the first thing that I would like to point out about this is it's a great watering system. It holds a lot of water. We can leave them, the chickens that is, by themselves for about a week without filling this up, and that's with evaporation in the sun. So overall it's great, but just a few things. You notice that these are cups, and this you put the water in, and as the chickens kind of put their neck on this, it presses down, releases water into these cups, and then when it lets go, it stops the flow of water. So it's kind of neat. But one thing that I do not like about this is that they kick all types of debris into this little cup. So I mean, you'll find hay. Oh, hello, hey Dot. That's our chicken Dot. She's awesome. All types of junk in here. You can see some growth here, which is pretty common, but just dirt, debris, things they kick up and drop in here. And when you put this watering system like over a rest or a ladder that they climb up, they can often poop in this as well. So this is just kind of, I don't know, if you have a place where they're not going to be above this or be kicking things into this, this is a great system. But just for us, it hasn't been the best fit. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put one of these. I'm going to kind of retrofit this. I took this one off, and it's really just got a simple screw back. You unscrew it, and then you just pop this one in. And I'm gonna see if they can figure this out, but what they'll do is they'll just hit this little metal tip, and water will begin to come out of here, kind of like a water bottle. So they'll kind of see this shiny little piece, they'll hit it with their beak, and I'm seeing if they'll come to it. But anyway, so we'll put that here, and this watering system makes it easy to kind of interchange. We'll put that there and see how it goes. Just one more thing too, people really love these cups because it's kind of a natural way a chicken would drink water, out of a stream or a puddle. And this seems to be kind of unnatural for a chicken to drink water out of, but you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. I don't really care. So one thing, just some tips. This thing comes with 2 hooks that you can really put on any type of fence, chain link or chicken wire. So that's kind of nice. Another thing is, do not put your water in direct sunlight. Number 1, it's going to evaporate very quickly. 2, it's going to be extremely hot water, and these chickens will not drink hot water. And 2, it grows, it's got a lot of growth in there. So sun is just going to exacerbate any type of growth you have in there. So that's just something to think about. But what I'm gonna do is I just have a bottle full of some Clorox bleach. You can use peroxide, whatever kind of safe cleaner that you feel okay with cleaning this out with. And I'm just gonna take a brush it in. I've taken a pressure washer before and pressure washed the inside and outside because these cups can become clogged. So that's kind of the nice thing that I'm looking forward to about this one is not going to be as clogged as easy. So yeah, it's a neat little watering system, keeps you from having to fill it up so long, and it's relatively it's a decent price. So I'll put all the materials that you see here in the description that you can snag yourself. So like, subscribe, and come back for some more. We'll see you next time.